Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to crochet these gloves. All you have to do is make this patch and fold the ends together and sew them. And make a slip knot like this. You need 4.5mm crochet hook. For making chain, yarn over and pull through the loop. Chain 18. The length of the first chain is going to be the length of the gloves. Now into the second chain, 1, 2, this one, make a single crochet, insert a hook, yarn over, pull through the chain. Now two loops are on hook, yarn over and pull through the loops. Make single crochet till the end of the chain. Now on the end of the first row, only one chain left. Make last single crochet. For starting second row, chain 1, turn the work. Now make first single crochet into the very first stitch. On the end of the second row, this is where the last stitch will be made. Again chain 1, turn your work and make single crochet. Start every row with chain 1 and make a first single crochet into the last stitch of the last row. Make number of rows according to the width you want. Fold this patch. Now join the sides by making slip stitches. Now go into the first stitch and also into the first stitch of the other side. Now yarn over and pull through 2 stitches of both sides and also the loop. Make the same stitch into the next one. I'm going to join 9 stitches from one side and 5 stitches from the other side, leaving 4 stitches for thumb. If you like this video, don't forget to share and subscribe.